I am Jamie Oliver's Aunty.
你看那个狗一直跟着我。Hello， 大家早上好，又是新的一天了。现在房东帮我们做早餐，让我们去看吧。
Okay, you're done. You're ready to go.
It's filming. You're doing pancake.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
I am Jamie Oliver's Aunty.
Nice and hot. I'm going to go in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
HAIYAAAA.
So, 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, and if you're making dessert pancakes, you put a little bit of sugar, 2 flat tablespoons. If you're making savoury pancakes, you don't do that. And you don't need to put salt and pepper. No salt and pepper for savoury, but you just can put a little bit of sugar. Okay, so we're ready to go. Oh my God, too much, honey. You have that one.
Yeah,
Way too much. Oh, too watery, no?
Yeah.
Okay, so. Now, I always cook my pancakes with butter, not oil, because I think it's better with butter. In fact, I know it is. And so you just put a bit of butter in your pan to line it, and even though it's a non-stick, here we go. Beat at the last second. Bubbles and air is good. I taught my daughter how to make this when she was about 4 years old. This is the first thing she learned how to cook pancake every Sunday. Tradition. I used to say to her, family tradition. We used to watch a kids program when she was a kid called Barney. Families must create tradition. We used to do that as children's memories. So our children's memory is pancake on a Sunday. When I get warmed up, I'll be able to flip it. But I don't want to make myself a fool of myself all over the world. First thing in the morning. Now that looks good, doesn't it? Now, if you used oil, it would be shiny and it would have a funny taste. If you use the butter, it's just nice. Oh, can you bring me the sugar back? I need the sugar. Yeah, bring it back. 1, 2, 3. Come on. All right. Do you like lemon? Yeah. You okay with the sugar, Shane? Not too much. Do you need any water?
Oh, we have it.
Okay, you have it? You've got to be quick because you want your pancake to stay warm, you know?
We roll it.
Yeah, this is the way we do it in our family. So this is your tradition when you come to Taupo. You put a little bit on the outside. Voila, monsieur. Dive in and you cut like that. Go and try it and see what you think. Excellence, of course, me hands on your plate. With pancake, you can't wait. Everybody eats at a separate time.
Oh,
Yeah, everybody, so you go and eat yours.
OK。
And then I'll make you one now.
来一只哦！你看那个狗一直跟着我。一直跟，一直跟。先来一只吧。
Now I do many things with pancake. Sometimes in the frying pan I will cook kiwi fruit banana together in a little bit of butter. And then I will squeeze orange juice when it's finished. And that's a lovely sauce inside the pancake. Yeah.
This has the lemons, yeah, lemons and sugar.
Just lemon and sugar.
Yeah， 它里面柠檬跟白糖了，
Some fruit.
就新的味道。之前每次是放蜜糖啊，或者是巧克力，这个是柠檬跟白糖，它是白糖罢了。
Everything goes.
没有放白糖，这个已经算少了。刚刚想要撒更多，刚刚看十字柱。 最后一口，不是我要先吃哦，是他叫我先吃哦。他就说，因为 pancake 每个人的时间都不一样。你也是什么？
應該一樣嘅吧？所以佢要做一個 raspberry。
看那個狗。
I'm making you another one, Shane, okay?
嗯 ，raspberry。
Would you like another one?
Yeah.
You would? Yeah, I like that, yeah.
It's really nice.
That was a good yeah.
Here you go. 他一直在等着。 就像那个电视那些。
I'll tell you what, if you like chocolate cake, I can give you an amazing recipe. I've been searching all my life for a good chocolate cake recipe. But if you go online, you know Whittaker's chocolate. Whittaker is the best chocolate in New Zealand. And the first recipe on their website, fantastic chocolate.
Like lots of time.
With 60% dark chocolate. Shall we try?
1, 2, 3.
Whoa. Sorry, it's a little bit too much. That's for me. It's going to be a big one. Oh la la. This is a man-sized one, isn't it?
Big one.
1, 2, 3. Voila. Oh, now I'll do it with jam. Yeah?
Jam. Raspberry jam.
Very nice. The best jam. Barkers. Because when you come to a new country, you never know the name of the products that are good. It takes a long time to find and try. But if you buy anything that is made by Barkers, it's 100% natural. It's like if you make it at home. And they make everything. They make sauce, you know, everything. Yeah, I think it's a sailing guy. I think that's too much. I don't think so.
Right.
Yeah? Sorry about my fingers.
No, sorry.
Now I still think, finish it off. It's not too sweet. The reason why I put the sugar on is not because I want it sweet. It's crunchy. Right, try that and let me know what you think.
All right.
Okie
Thank
dokies.
you.
All right.
Second one.
Hey,
The second one.
second one. Would you like a second one, my darling?
After coffee, I think I'm full.
You're full.
Yeah. I can try here.
Okay, you can
Yeah.
try this. Okay. Did you see that good in the spot?
还有香蕉啊，
What do you think of it?
What?
haven't eaten yet.
He's filming more than eating.
Oh, it's gonna go cold.
这是 raspberry 跟香蕉。这样，但 raspberry 不会很甜，
100%
太好吃了，太好吃了。
I'll do more.
This is really good.
What do you think?
Really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
And it's really easy to make, you know? It's not a difficult thing to do. It's as quick as an omelette.
Sister, are you hungry too?
Wow. Oh, yes, I can see the mountain. Yeah.
这个很饱。
I always put a...
I'll see you. I'll see you.
Absolutely.
I think like 2 more weeks.
If I don't get a haircut, I'll be coming in
Oh,
on a Wednesday.
yes. You will get a haircut too.
And it's very nice to meet you,
Yeah.
Shane.
Nice to meet you too.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good to have you.
I might see you again in Auckland.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be ringing you up saying, Shane, come on, we're going walkies.
Yeah.
Always pretend to be a tourist all the time in your life. You don't need to go away to be a tourist. You can be a tourist in your own town.
Always. All right.
All right then.
All right. Thanks, Jacqui.
Bye.
Bye.
Taupo. Taupo. Now, Taupo is your toe and the dog's paw. What?
Oh.
That's how you say Taupo.
Taupo.
Taupo. Okay,
See ya.
bye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Woof, woof, woof.
Ooh.
All right.
He was like, what are you doing?
All right. 现在我们就要出门了。Yeah. All right. Yeah. 我们现在就要走了，去下一个地点。Let's go.